guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm MR2 and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fit new Swaybar bushings on your MR2 SW20. So when I'm turning the steering wheel, this is squeaking a lot, on the front and on the rear as well, but I'm going to focus on the front for now. So we've actually put the new Swaybar bushings in the freezer, which is what's recommended, and then apparently I'm meant to blowtorch these ones out, but I'm not too sure.
Slowly. Yep.
No way.
It looks crusty.
So these are both 14 mils. So this one is a deep one, this one's just a regular one. So we just used this one for it, but now we are getting a deep 14 for this one. Okay, we got the bracket off, and then this is my bushing. Yes.
What?
She's a little chewed, not gonna lie.
Oh.
She's a little chewed.
I did not do that. That came off like that.
Oh no.
And so then we need, should we do either side and then get them from the freezer?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to clean up. You might want to wire prep everything.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
That.
Side number two. Side number two. Just brake cleaned it off, and hopefully this one is as smooth as the other one.
Yeah.
I don't know. So yeah, this is like
We might have to take the tray off.
it's annoying because this bracket should just come up, but it's actually stuck to the bushing.
Oh, what was the fucking
There we go. That's the noise it's making.
That is the noise. What is it?
The Swaybar.
Is it here though?
Wait, do I have?
If I...
Yeah, but this is a new track rod end, so I'm not understanding why.
Is the track rod end making noise?
Well, I don't know.
Keep wiggling it.
If I do that...
Is this track
It's
rod
under
end?
here.
The track rod end.
Is the track rod end up here? Is it?
I know, I think it's under there.
Oh no.
There's one there.
So whilst we're here, we're gonna just take this under tray off and clean off my actual Swaybar because it's really bad.
And I would also put copper pipe and a plug. Is it just the copper pipe you put in?
Right. Yeah, there's like this weird like coating on it. I think it's just like paint on it. Yeah, there's still some at the front. You lied to us. Well, whilst we're here, we can probably do it from there. You don't need to take the whole tray off. We'll be absolutely fine. It depends if you want it hitting you in the face.
I'll take it off.
Well, you're going to paint it, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
So you might as well take the whole tray off.
Okay, yeah, fair enough.
Well, we've got the time.
Well, we've got all the time.
I'm surprised the front bushings fell.
Okay. So
Before the car was right, and just showed you the video.
we're also gonna clean this because it's kind of gross. Right, so
This is what I'm doing.
literally just spray it off.
Here at the bottom, starting to surface rust. This whole Swaybar, I think, just needs stripping
Yeah, I have
and painting.
I don't like the use of rust going on here.
This bit's bad. Have a look at this.
No, thank you. Oh, that is actually pretty bad.
And he's doing badly.
Oh, I didn't realise it got that bad.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It'll just keep
Oh,
chipping
no.
away as well. So we just need to wire wheel it off.
Well, shit. Let's not talk about the rub on my inner arch here. That's rubbed all that off. Second one is not as crunched.
Secured.
It's not as crunched actually.
It's not too bad.
It's the track rod.
MOT'd worse.
So the idea with that is we're going to sand it off and paint it so it's all nice and fresh because there is a little surface rust, but we're not going to worry about it for now. Today Chris is also sorting my speakers out because this side is broken, but they were actually covered in water, weren't they?
Water, yeah.
Leaks. That actually looks really good, thank you. That actually looks well good.
Well good, isn't it?
Well good, isn't it?
I mean, if you want before and after, this is before, that's after.
Yeah, literally.
I won't clean this one for a second, I'm going to get the bits up there.
So I have decided to paint my Swaybar pink because if you guys saw my last video, you'll know that I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the car the pink and the black vibe, but I thought this is underneath, so it doesn't really matter, and it adds just a little pop of colour, and it's kind of fun when people look underneath. But I don't know if I'm going to keep the pink calipers yet, so I'm just going to use the paint that I did the calipers in, and I can always buy more if I like it and want to get more. This is taking forever, but it looks sick. Oh, I just put my
Find out when it makes a big rattling noise.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
How are the gypsies there?
God.
Are they neat?
Yeah. So this is the final look. She is still a little bit sticky actually, but nearly dry. And then James has very kindly sanded off the brackets and painted them just in black. No one's really going to see this, but I just thought it was a little bit of fun.
Or maybe we just roughly do it.
Chris has just used, as you can probably tell, I've got hat hair now, the sandblaster to try and sort his engine lid, and we didn't realise that they were plastic. So are all turbo MR2 engine lids plastic? Because mine is metal, but this one seems to be plastic and I don't know why. Are they all like that? So we have put these in the freezer, which is what is recommended to do. So I just need to see which ones, because I've also got these ones as well and I don't know what they are. So I think these ones are the smaller ones. I don't know, they all look, none of them look like those ones. Shit. Okay. Okay. So it is the small size ones, and then we've also got different ones, but I don't know what they're for, but I think these are these ones. These are the new brackets that are gonna go with the pink Swaybar. It looks pretty sick, but yeah, I think these are the ones because they seem to fit in just nicely.
You put them in the freezer.
Are they usually a lot worse than that?
Yeah. If you don't put them in the freezer, they're expanded, so when you put them in the freezer, they contract.
Put the fucking other thing.
And the reason you normally have to burn them out in the rear. Was it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Wait.
Okay.
This looks fun.
Yeah. Yeah,
What's
right.
the torque spec on this? Is it 4 Ugadugas or about 5?
Double it and pass it on to the next one.
I would overdug it on, honestly.
I mean, I could get it.
Unless you get it tight enough by hand. Because you don't want the sway bar loosening up.
No, thank you.
No, no, no.
What were the torque spec then?
There we go. I know, I didn't paint that bit. Ignore. But there are the new Swaybar bushings. They look nice and clean now.
It's not being sent, is it really meant?
The tray is back on and we are done, and now we are going to attempt to do the rears. It's easier to jack up the rears, so I'm not that scared. Also, take the wheels out on the fucking side.
Well, we can't jack it back down without the wheels going on.
I would really prefer my side skirts not get crushed. We have a lovely array of colours that definitely don't clash on the car. That actually looks kind of bad, not gonna lie.
We are going to talk these. We will. Just overdug them first. Right, I'm tightening mine again. Go down slowly. Right, now you go all the way down.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah, it's fine. There you go. That's all on this jack.
Sorry, I'm the two jacks.
Yeah, she's on the floor. That's fine.
It's just splitter that's that. Because it only
just clears.
it. Which is why I'm also worried if we go any lower.
So these are the bushings for the rear, but I don't actually know how they come off, so we're just going to take this off and see, I guess. I'm just trying to get rid of this.
You can literally just bend
it. Doesn't feel like it's going to bend, it feels like it's going to snap.
If you want to get rid of it, it will just bend.
I don't know.
Little pry tool. It's in that black.
Checking it'll come off.
It might pry up.
Hopefully.
Should I swap sides?
So we're actually gonna leave the rear because you have to drop the rear subframe to get to it, unless anyone knows a way that you don't, but that's the only way we know. Oh wow, can see how to do it, so we're just gonna leave it until it probably rusts off. But yeah, we are leaving it there because we just can't drop the rear subframe right now, and when I do, I will probably powder coat it, all of that good stuff, depending on what direction I go and what colour scheme I go with the car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope that it helps you with the front at least, and gives you a start on the rear Swaybar bushings. I'm hoping this has stopped the squeaking, but we do need to give it a little test drive. The car is rolling. So we fixed one issue, and now there's another issue that when Chris is torquing the wheels, the car is rolling back, but the handbrake is all the way up. So guess that'll be my next video.